Hi, this is a quick video rundown of our year 2000 Rsv Mille R. The bike's done 10,900 miles, 3 owners, great condition throughout. There's a large service history, everything from the original bill of sale right up to last week, in fact, when it had full service including oil, filters, plugs, coolant. Fork seals were done as well at the same time as the MOT, so it is all chain and sprocket as well. There's nothing really wrong with the chain and sprocket, it was just a bit gunked up, and I think a gold one really sets it off. So slightly whorish, but there we go, I popped one on. So yes, it's the first year of the first gen Mille Rs. So it's got the fairing, which is very similar to the SP with the ridges. The year after they went for the fins on the side, which they stuck with. So there's not many of these left around, especially in this condition. Service history wise, I think I'll have to write this. I've not written the ad yet, but once I get all the paperwork out and go through it, but there's evidence for about 10 services. So it's definitely been extremely well looked after. So I'll give you a quick walk around, showing you cosmetic condition, pointing out any little niggles that I've found, which there aren't really many, considering it is a 20-year-old bike. So tailpiece, there's ever so slight discoloration on the white, just because it's a 20-year-old white decal, so they start to yellow a tiny bit, but not bad at all. There's a slight nick just there that's had a bit of touch-up put on, but yeah, something or nothing really. Tiny chip just here, a little bit touch-up. Again, something or nothing. Seats immaculate. The tank is immaculate. There's no chips or scuffs or bubbling. This is the plastic tank. It's got all the right bits of carbon fibre in the right places. No damage to any of them. Olin's steering damper, Olin's rear shock, Olin's forks, as it's the R. It's also got the OZ forged wheels. I'll just go over the nose cone. So again, no real damage, no scuffs on the edges. A slight bit there, just where the sticker's shrunk a bit over, as I keep saying, the last 20 years. Brake and clutch fluid obviously changed as well at the service that we've just done. It's got the correct carbon mudguard, the original, and no disc lock damage, no real chips or any road debris, all very clean. The OZ wheels, again in very good condition. Couple of little chips on the belly pan, just a bit of gravel rush down here. That's something that just can't be avoided really. Right, side panels. So it's very clean on the whole. Couple of tiny scratches just in here, but very light. Telltale signs that these have been dropped or crashed. Obviously you've got the bottoms of the forks, all very clean, but if they ever go down, the gear and brake lever tend to knock into the frame. So if you look behind here, We sometimes see evidence where it's just rubbed against the frame, but there's none of that. Shock areas are all very clean. See date swing arm was produced there. Yeah, again, all very clean. No damage at all to the swing arm. Again, these can be quite delicate. But yeah, no original factory stickers. Great carbon mudguard, again with no damage to it. There are no mods to this bike at all. It's got the exhaust hanger, but it's also got the pillion pegs that come with it and the pillion seat if you wanted to pop someone on the back. Again, swing arm, all very clean, no damage. They say if they get dropped at all, the exhaust often bashes, but nothing there. And again, behind the lever on the frame, nothing there, very clean. Pipe in very good condition, no scuffs. This side panel, centre panel is extremely clean with no damage. I think there's right under the bottom on the belly pan, you see here, it's a little indent where it's obviously been just knocked something. But again, something and nothing really, it's right underneath. So when you're inside you don't really see it at all. Rear wheel's very clean, no damage at all. So yeah, there you have it. Overall, an extremely nice Rsv Mille with very low mileage, great service history, just been serviced. So yeah, ready to go. Any questions or queries, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sitting through that 7 minutes and 53 seconds of me gabbing on. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye.